Assalamo Alykum friends, I am Daud Hussain and you are watching Infodip channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Microsoft query in Microsoft Excel program. So, first of all, create data. I have created my data already. I'll show you after creating your data. Select your data and go to Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Now click on Table. Now OK and press Ctrl S. After this closes. Now open Microsoft Excel new workbook. As you can see, from here click on Data, from Other Sources, from Microsoft Query, select Excel files. OK. Now here select your data where you have put your data. In my case, this is my PC name and I have my data on desktop. Okay, this is my data. Select your data and OK. From here, OK. Point to be noted here. When you come here for first time, so this option will be unchecked, system tables, and you will get random error. So you have to apply check on this option, then OK, then click on next, and apply check to this option. Finish. From here select this one, show height criteria, and drag ID with your mouse cursor. Hold ID with your mouse cursor and leave it in criteria field. Now from here, okay, click in value and in bracket write search. As you can see, this is big brackets. From here now click on return data. OK, and this will ask place from you where you want to paste your source data. So OK, and now here this option will ask you which cells you want to select for your search. So I am selecting K, right? K in column K and first row. This one I have selected. Now I will apply check to these both option also, and OK. Now as you see, Microsoft query is created. Now which cell I have selected, so I will search here some IDs, like I'm searching ID 1. So as you can see, the data has been appeared. Okay, I'm searching for ID number 5. So as you can see, the name are randomly changed. Okay, I will search another one, number 6 ID. So you can see. Okay, this was a short video of how to create Microsoft query. If you want more useful stuff and information, you can visit my website. I will provide the link of my website in the video description. Here you can find more useful information, tips and tricks, Android apps, games, and much more. This is my website and this is my YouTube channel. If you like video, please press the like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you guys and have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.